Hello guys, welcome to Fun with Math. Enjoy the video. Today the question is, if x is equal to a sine t, y is equal to a cos t, then find dy by dx. Now let's find d by dt of a sine t and d by dt of a cos t. So, d by dt of a sine t is equal to a d by dt of sine t. That equals to a cos t. Now d by dt of a cos t equals to a d by dt of cos t. That equals to minus a sine t. Now, dy by dx equals to dy by dt by dx by dt. So, now dy by dx is equal to minus a sine t by a cos t. That equals to a minus sine t by a cos t, that equals to minus sine t by cos t. That equals to minus tan t. Hope you guys liked this video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Share the video to your friends, and thanks for watching.